In partnership, Niricson and Arcadis are revolutionising the way bridge inspections are performed. Our Bridge Health service uses advanced artificial intelligence and automated techniques for condition assessment, replacing manual inspections with data-driven, predictive asset maintenance.
Bridge Health is a holistic solution. The market is changing, so we are consistently looking for new digital tools that we can apply that bring best for project.
So there are multiple ways the whole Bridge Health actually helps the client manage their assets properly. One is, how we are collecting the data, right? So it's pretty unique here. So we are actually capturing multi-layer data set. We are not just relying on visual data set, right? So we've got visual data, we've got thermal data, so that allows us to go a little bit deeper into the surface. So there are two key components, for us to really help inform the whole asset lifestyle planning, right? So the first is baselining this asset using this standardized methodology. Second is using that methodologies. Why are we doing this? The major thing that we want to do with this is really getting them optimize their spending. Right now, of course, if you have the budget, you want to really know which asset I can deploy this capital so that I can really get the best benefit out of this, which is extension of the service life of this asset. Extension really helps in terms of creating the whole asset life cycle planning sustainable. The data we are measuring to really help asset owners to improve the bridge condition assessment is actually rate of deterioration curve, right? This curve really helps them, identify what's the point of time where I can do the spending to extend the service life of this asset in a safest manner.
The feedback that we're getting from current clients is excellent. They appreciate that we're on the journey with them to find the best technologies out there to enable them to have the best bridge health. So at the moment we're doing pilots with clients using our AI and dronic system Niricson on concrete structures. We're looking at, with other clients, we're looking at using AI on steel inspections, and we're also doing work with other clients on underwater as well. So the variety of tools that we're bringing to our clients, the guidance that we are providing, they really appreciate that we're helping guide them through this journey to try to find the best solution for the future.